Morning. I'm here bright and early at the elementary school to swap out our breaker.
Buckle up your seat as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
It's actually in this panel right here, and it's breaker number 9. If you look very, very closely, you can see a hairline crack right there. And I don't know if it's because of continuous tripping or whatnot, or if the breaker trips continuously because it's cracked. I don't know. But this services the cooling system in the server room. And so we're gonna replace the breaker. And if the breaker continues to trip after that, then we will know that the problem is actually something in the room itself drawing more power than it should be. And the breaker itself isn't the issue, even though this breaker needs to be replaced. With these commercial breaker panels, it's actually easier to change out a breaker than it is to, say, do a receptacle in the wall. It's super simple, and I can do it standing up. The only thing I have to make sure of is that I de-energize the whole panel before I go in there.
You decided to attack the world early.
Yeah, and fewer people could complain about the fact that I'm shutting off their power for a bit. Yes. It's for the server room, right?
Yeah.
Like for a cooling fan or something in the
It's for
server room?
the air conditioner in the server room.
Yeah, these breakers, being a commercial panel, commercial breaker, they're not available.
You can't buy them from Depot.
No, I had to order.
It was funny because for a while we had a little stock of breakers. We had a couple extras sitting there, but they've all got used up.
The Fort was good for that. We
Yeah.
had extra breakers in the Fort.
Yeah, but that was a different panel. That was
Yeah.
a more residential panel. You can feel it's weird when you pop this. It doesn't trigger like it should.
Yeah. Well, we know pretty quick whether everybody's happy. I know. You don't have to remove nearly as many screws to get into them.
Oh, dropped a screw.
Sure.
We'll see what happens. Well, it's pretty quick. It's 7:14 right now. So even with chatting with Frank while I was doing that, it was less than a 10-minute operation. So super quick. I was playing with the old breaker a little bit, and you can actually feel that there's something wrong with it. When you manually throw it, you can feel an internal vibration. It's like something, you throw it and it's like when you feel something vibrate, it's like there's an internal resonation coming from there. So something is broken inside the breaker. So I'm 99.9% confident that this has solved our problem. This is a new breaker. And this is the old one. And while you can't feel the buzzing or the vibration that I'm picking up, you can hear a difference between the two. That's how easy it is to change out a breaker. Make sure your panel is de-energized. Really super simple. Plus, I didn't have to sit on the ground or squat down once. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.